Hello everyone, how are you? So I'm back here today again with the same topic, that is digestion in human beings. So today I'm going to switch over to the topic directly, that is digestive system in humans and how the process of digestion takes place in our body. So here I'm showing you a video, just have a look on it. First of all, we should know what is digestion. Digestion means breaking down of complex materials into their simpler forms, and these complex materials are the nutrients that we have discussed earlier, like carbohydrates, fats, proteins. They are broken down into their simpler forms in the digestive system. This is known as digestion. So the digestion of food takes place in the alimentary canal, and there are different organs present in the alimentary canal which carries out the function of digestion. So you can have a look here. There is buccal cavity, food pipe, stomach, small intestine, large intestine, anus, liver and pancreas. Liver and pancreas are the glands which help in the process of digestion. So when we eat food, we take it into our mouth. In the mouth, the teeth chew it properly. The food gets mixed with the saliva. The saliva is produced by the 3 pair of salivary glands present in our mouth. Saliva softens the food and tongue helps in swallowing the food. From the mouth, food goes to the stomach through the food pipe. The stomach is a J-shaped organ. You can see here. The food is properly churned inside the stomach. Stomach produces mucus, digestive juices and hydrochloric acid. The food stays for 3 to 4 hours in the stomach. Here the food is partially digested. It is not completely digested in the stomach. After the stomach, the food passes into the small intestine. And the small intestine along with liver and pancreas produces digestive juices. The liver and pancreas pour their digestive juices into the small intestine. And here in the small intestine, the food gets completely digested. So children, we should know that the process of digestion starts in the mouth and the food is completely digested in the small intestine. Here you can see the small intestine has finger-like projections. They are known as villi, and these villi have blood vessels. The food which is digested in the small intestine is absorbed by the walls of small intestine, and the blood carries it to other organs of our body. And after this, the food, undigested food, it passes into the large intestine. The large intestine absorbs water from the undigested food and the waste is left behind. And here you can see that excess of water and salts are absorbed and the undigested waste is passed out through the body, through the anus. But before passing out from the anus, the fecal material or the undigested waste is stored in the rectum, and in the rectum it is stored for almost 10 to 12 hours, and after that it is passed out from our body from the anus. See, you can have a look here. It is anus and the waste material is passed out from the anus. So dear children, this was about the process of digestion. Here I want to recall few points. That is, the digestion of food is started in the mouth. Food is partially digested in the stomach and completely digested in the small intestine. So you should know the small intestine absorbs digested food, and the large intestine, it absorbs water and salts from the material that is left after it. And in the small intestine, the walls of the small intestine, they absorb the digested food, and through that it gets into the blood, and the blood transports the food material in the other parts of our body. Large intestine. Now large intestine, it is the it is the next part after small intestine. The water is absorbed in the large intestine, and the undigested waste material is sent to the rectum, and from the rectum it gets out from our body through the anus. So dear children, when we eat food, we should keep in mind few things. First of all, we should always wash our hands before and after eating food. We should eat healthy diet. We should have more and more fruits and vegetables in our diet. We should drink lots of water. We should eat a balanced diet and avoid junk foods. And for proper diet, after having proper diet, one thing we should keep in mind, that we should chew our food properly, because chewing of food properly, it enhances the process of digestion. So the food should be chewed properly. Now the next topic in our book is about the importance of eating fresh and clean food. As you all know बेटा, कि जो हम बाजार से सब्जियां खरीद के लाते हैं, फ्रूट्स लेकर आते हैं, उन्हें हमें खाने से पहले अच्छे से वॉश करना है, गर्म पानी से धोना है उन्हें, और उसके बाद ही उसे खाना है. क्योंकि जब हम डायरेक्टली ही अगर फूड को खा लेंगे, बाजार से हम कोई एप्पल ला रहे हैं और बिना धोए उसे खा लेंगे, तो इट मे हैपन कि उस एप्पल पर कोई जर्म्स हों, और जर्म्स ऐसे जो डिजीज कॉजिंग जर्म्स हों, वो अगर हम इनटेक कर लेते हैं, हम उसे खा लेते हैं, तो व्हाट विल हैपन, इट विल एंटर इनटू आवर बॉडी एंड दे विल कॉज सिवियर डिजीजेस लाइक जॉन्डिस, डायरिया एंड अदर इन आवर बॉडी. So we should always keep in mind that we should have the habit of having fresh and clean food, and we should always cover the food. We should not let it uncovered, and the utensils should be neat and clean, and we should keep the things in a refrigerator if we require. So in the end, I would like to give you one suggestion, that after this lecture you will go through your books again, you will read the chapter again for the better understanding of the concept. So I hope it is fruitful for you, and other queries, they will be solved later. Thank you.